I'm just trying to get this board off this DAKE. It's got a couple of rusty bolts here, and I probably could easily cut this off with a angle grinder, but it's 10 o'clock at night. And, you know, the neighbors aren't very terrible people, so they don't need all the loud noises. But there will come a time when I need to make some loud noises, and I'll try to do it as fast as possible. Because even still, not in my yard, I'm next to somebody else. But I picked up this DAKE number Y press. I think it's 1.5 tons. Sucker's pretty cool. It's like really cool. Here's I'm probably gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this thing. Maybe I'll buy a, what do you call it? One of those kits there, and I'll start making buttons. You know, because that's what people do. They like to make buttons out of with arbor presses. Or I could, what do you call it, go into the leather business and start pressing leather. Or I could just stick my face in the machine and get all depressed. Anyway, yeah, I'm just taking bolts out here. So yeah, that's this is the part where you fast forward to the end. 200 fucking minutes later. Don't forget to cut this out, Chris, later. Ooh, look at that. Houston, we have liftoff. Now, there's the other side. This freaking thing is not light. It's got quite the poundage on it. Got them real cheap. Real cheap. Oh, this one's coming out easier. This one's a lot easier. I can even spin that one by hand. Holy macadoodle. Did not expect that. Didn't see that coming. Alright, now let's see. Take the washer off here. Come on. There's the washer in that one. This is the part where I drop it on my foot and falls off the counter here. Come on, man. This doesn't look like it's an unusually hard cleanup job. There we go. Lots of junk on it. Nasty. Look at all that. 100-year-old crud. Maybe not 100-year-old, but I don't know what the hell they do. Drill it in the freaking thing. I don't know. I'll try that out. Anyway, like, subscribe. Tell me you like this boring video.